We got bologna. Dude.
What is this? What is this?
Jesus, take the wheel.
All right, Ben, where are you going? So here's what you gotta do. You gotta cut yourself a nice thick old slab of
Dude, I
bologna.
can't fuck up your bologna. You gotta cut that shit.
It's impolite to touch another man's meat. So like that's gonna be your.
You can touch my meat whenever you want.
Now you just made it weird. I called you a child. Now I'm touching your meat. That's how you get put on lists.
Lists. Megan's list.
Here's what you got. You nice thick slab of bologna. We got a good char, good bark on there. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna grab you some bread. I'll get you some bread. We're a little bit out of bread. Get you so we're going classy trailer trash lunch right here, right? So you got your bologna, your American cheese. I have mustard if you want to go real trash, but I've also got decent selection of barbecue sauces. I would recommend this one. It's a little bit vinegar based, but it's very sweet. Pairs very well with the bologna.
Tough to go wrong with the vinegars, you know.
With the Bush Light, that's the coup de grace right there. That's perfect. So fix you a sandwich. Then here's the real showcase. What we got right here.
Get in on this, Rob. Get in on this.
Limp brisket original. Josh Bender, that man right there, came up with this idea. We were fucking toasted one night a couple years ago. And he's like, hey, man, what if we took bologna and made burn ends out of it? So we got a whole smoker full of bologna burn ends, slow rolling. They're going to make a real nice, crispy little bologna nugget here in a little bit. Ooh, we do it big here at Limp Brisket. We do it big. We're a team that's all about the meats. Drifting comes second. This is my true talent. This is where I shine, baby.
I've had the burn ends. They're crazy. Absolutely crazy. This man turns bologna into filet mignon.
Dude, you missed it at Vibes during all that rain in the morning. We were just fucking getting tooted, and we were bacon wrapping honey buns and smoking them. Oh. Kevin had a couple bacon wrapped honey buns. They were pretty damn good. Then we ran out of bacon and just smoked a honey bun, and that was just the smoked honey bun was, oh. Yeah, I mean, bacon's good, but, bacon's overpowering, It's like bacon takes over whatever dish it's in. It just quickly becomes like, there's bacon in a salad, you're like, oh, this bacon would be better if all the salad wasn't in the way. It's just such an overpowering thing. So we luckily ran out of the bacon. I, didn't plan. Surprise.
Can't bring an endless supply of bacon, apparently.
I'm not a Kennedy. I'm not made of money, So we ran out of the bacon, and I think it was Fred was like, what if we just threw a couple of the... Meanwhile, Fred's the only sober one. Fred's just like along for the ride. And he's like, what if we just...
Fred's never sober, Matt says.
And Fred's like, what if we just threw the honey buns on there? And I was like, that's a great idea. Let's try it. It's one of the few instances in life where bacon doesn't necessarily always make it better. 99.9% of the time you put bacon on it, it's going to be better.
Just to clarify, on the honey bun you're talking about.
Yeah. On a smoked honey bun, it's honestly better without the bacon. But I also, to be fair, didn't buy a quality bacon. I just bought like some quick and dirty bacon. I didn't buy it good. It wasn't like a thick Applewood bacon. It was just like some bullshit Smithfield's bacon. Nothing against Smithfield. They make quality meats, but it's not the best bacon there is,
You heard it here first. Smithfield bacon not approved by Limp Brisket.
There's a boar's head recall. This is a big this is news to me because I buy a lot of boar's head products. So wait. There's really a boar's head?
We're coming to you from Lake Erie Speedway with breaking news. How do you feel about the current boar's head recall?
Guys, I am shook. I am literally shook. No, the bologna is Wunderbar bologna. There's only two kinds of bologna you buy.
What was that called again?
Wunderbar bologna.
Okay. Wunderbar bologna.
I think it's German for wonderful bologna because it's wonderful bologna. But let me tell everyone here a life hack. If you're ever gonna go like make smoked bologna, buy a log of bologna, and some fast-talking swindler tries to sell you on expensive bologna, there's no such thing as expensive bologna. Buy the cheapest bologna you can get, or garlic bologna. It's the only exception.
It's tough to miss on garlic bologna.
Dude, it's garlic bologna's pretty. They didn't have any, or else I would have got the garlic bologna.
What do you know about link? You know what I'm talking about? Like link meat?
Oh, like sausage links?
Like no. I'm sorry, leek. Leek. Leeks.
Aren't leeks like a vegetable?
It's like a chivey thing. Yeah.
I like chives. Are leeks like chives?
Yeah.
I probably really like leeks.
Dude, you need to go down to like Kane, Pennsylvania and get some leek. They make leek everything. Leek jerky.
Wait, so they'll like cure the meat in leeks?
It's got leeks in the meat, yeah.
It's like olive loaf, but not gross.
It's good stuff, dog. You wouldn't hate it.
Guys, my whole world's I learned Boar's Head had a recall, which is very alarming for me. Normally it's a quality meat company. I buy a lot of Boar's Head, so this could be a problem. But I also learned about leek meat. Leek meat. Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, you should look into it.
I'm a fan of all things meat. Big meat guy over here. Big meat guy.
You heard it here first. Taylor Braun loves meat.
Big meat guy. Big meat guy.